This thing is good. So send help.
Yeah, I get it. I mean, you the tallest one. You should have.
Come on, long Bobbiana. Okay, so listen to what I'm about to tell you, okay?
Honey. Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought it. The clothes I'm wearing, I bought it. The rock I'm rocking, I bought it. 'Cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the women with it, throw your hands up at me. All the honeys who making money, throw your hands up at me. All the mamas who profit dollars, throw your hands up at me. All the ladies who truly get wet, throw your hands up at me. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Y'all ain't how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Y'all ain't how your angels get down like that. Tell me how you feel about this. Do what I want, live how I want.
Baby, this thing is good. But welcome to February's vlog. Hi guys, so this is actually the first time I'm recording on my new phone. Okay, so so much has been going on in my life, y'all. But anywho, me and my mom is about to go and do some errands. My son has a basketball game at 2:30. Got some stuff I need to pick up from Target, and then I have this little event that I have to go to for like my son's school. Well, not his school, but I'm trying out different like magnet schools or whatever. So that's what we are about to go to. He's in the house.
Oh. We just gotta go? He don't go?
I don't know. I'm not taking him. Say hey to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Vlog with a V.
Hello, vlog.
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 Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing Tootsie slides in both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself and say and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
Just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? 100 man, I don't know no other man. You fuck like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. Shit. I'm still
One thing I wanted to tell y'all about is the book that my book club is reading for the month, and it's called Honey and Spice. Hold on, let me see if I can pull up the cover of the book. So this is what the cover of the book looks like. The book is a slow starter. If I wasn't in the book club, like I probably would have stopped reading and moved on to the next book. But I paid my money for this book, I'm gonna read it. But I'll let y'all know my final thoughts of the book after I get done with the book. But as of right now, I would not recommend the book. Okay, so my hair in the front is looking real like, baby, it's time to take it out. Like, it has grown out so much, and like the braids are like lifting off my scalp. Okay, so what I'm going to do, since the braids in the back are still good, I'm just gonna like rebraid the front. Right, and I'm not even gonna like take it all out. I'm gonna take it out one by one and rebraid it one by one. I only have one pack or one little bundle of this hair, and then I'm gonna use this jam, which I'm running out of as well. And then here's my comb. We're just gonna see how this goes. I need scissors. Like, my hair is not dirty, it just needs to be rebraided. I've done this side and I have not done this side, so you can see the difference like real bad. We're all done. I did the front over, it looks brand new. Now I'm about to just spray it with this foam. Ooh, y'all, these braids is tight. I am getting ready to go on my walk. I typically walk with ankle weights, but I ordered some new ankle weights and they're so cute. They're pink, and I'm not even a pink girl, but I'm really excited about them. Got them on.
I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that he gave you as a front. You're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you front.
I came outside to my porch so I can talk to y'all, but it's like 2 lizards out here on the floor and I got kind of scared. Okay, so y'all, I deactivated my Facebook and my Instagram for the first time ever. Like, I've never, like, even when I take like a little bit of a break or whatever the case is, a couple days or whatever, I've never actually like deactivated my social media, but I had to do it. Like, I'm just going through so much right now, and I feel like social media is just adding to that. So yeah, so I deactivated it. I'm not sure when I'm going to activate it back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a week, a month, the rest of the year. Like, I really don't know what it's gonna look like. However, today is the first day of me not having it, and I'm struggling. Like, I keep going to the app, and like when I get bored, because it's a natural habit, like whenever I'm bored, I just go to the app, go to Facebook, go to Instagram. It's just like my normal chain of things. So now I'm trying to train myself to do something else. So send help. I need to get like some patio furniture for the front of my house because it is so freaking gorgeous outside right now, and I wish I could sit out here and work outside. Like, it's gorgeous out here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to search for some patio furniture, maybe check out IKEA this weekend or something. Okay, y'all, I'm excited. I got these patio chairs from IKEA yesterday with my mom. We're supposed to be $80. Ooh, sorry, too bright. But the chairs are supposed to be $80 each, and they were on sale for $25, y'all. $25. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what the 2 chairs looks like. Sorry, it's really rainy and ugly outside right now, but now I have to go to Home Depot to find something to like chain it down. So I'm in the house trying to find my drill, and I can't find it. I don't know where it went, but I'm trying to find my drill so I can drill a hole into this and chain it down so nobody steals it. So y'all, I was at the bus stop with Nicholas this morning, and there was this little cat outside, and you can tell that the cat was looking for food. So I went and got some cat food because, you know, I have a cat, and I put it on a little paper plate, and I'm trying to bring it over to her. I'm trying to find her. I think I see her. It was 2 cats, but 1 cat actually came over to us. Y'all, they are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. I think I want the white one. Oh, it's scared. Oh my God, y'all, it's a 3rd cat. Okay, no, they belong to somebody. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Hi guys, so just kind of updating you guys on like my social media situation. So I'm back on Facebook, trying to be on Facebook as minimally as possible. Like I set a timer on how long I can be on Facebook, which is like an hour a day, which is, you know, not that much time, honestly. But I'm still not back on Instagram, y'all. It's been almost 2 weeks. It's been almost 2 weeks since I've been off of Instagram. I got back on Facebook after a week. I don't know when I'm gonna get back on Instagram, but I'm itching to get back on Instagram. Like I almost got back on Instagram yesterday, and then I was just like, no, I need more time. Baby, not me actually having something to do this weekend, like other than my normal errands, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I took my braids out, y'all, because the front was giving it's snowing outside. Like the hair has, look at all the little, it's dirty, honey, it's dirty. So it was time, so I took them out and I just brushed the braids out and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do my hair tonight, and I'm probably gonna blow it out and straighten it. I haven't straightened it, like really straightened it. I was blowing it out before and like doing this little braiding down method and wearing it curly, but I think I'm gonna actually wear it straight. I haven't worn it straight since like October. So yeah, I am preparing to wash my hair. So I am going to be washing with the clarifying shampoo from Olaplex. I haven't used the clarifying one before. It's still sealed, so can't wait to use that. I typically use like the regular shampoo, so I'm excited to use the clarifying shampoo. And yes, I have heard all the stuff about Olaplex in the news, but Olaplex hasn't done anything to me. So yeah, and then I'll be using this Nutrient hair food thingamajig as like my conditioner. Oh y'all, your girl hair came out so cute. Okay, now my hair getting longer. Come on, long Babiana. Make sure y'all watch the tutorial next week. I did record myself doing my hair, so it'll be up next week probably.